In this tutorial, we are building a journey to create Freshservice tickets for new Freshdesk tickets. So let's create this journey. Select Freshdesk as a trigger, then choose New Ticket as a trigger event. Click on Existing Connection and click on Link an Account. Now in steps, we have to create a ticket in Freshservice. For that, select Freshservice and Steps. Next, choose Create Ticket as an action. Again, select an existing connection and link an account. Add fields using Freshdesk app data. Now select priority, status, source. Then click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. Let's go to Freshdesk. Click on New to create a new ticket. We need to fill the required details. Let's fill them. And we are done. Click on Create. A new ticket is created. Now let's go to our journey to check the journey execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now let's go to Freshservice. We can see a new ticket has been created on Freshservice. In this way, we can build an automation journey to create Freshservice tickets for Freshdesk tickets. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.com.